We're here with Charlene Patton this morning talking about beef and steak. And you're like, wait a second. Charlene Patton's from the Kansas Soybean Commission. What does beef and steak have to do with soybeans? And it has to do a lot with soybeans, right, Charlene?
It does. The number one use of our soybeans here in Kansas is to feed livestock. So whether that's pork or beef or poultry, that's the number one use of our soybeans. And so I thought today it would be great to recognize the beef industry because it's May is Beef Month. And I thought, who doesn't like a good steak, right?
So yeah, we're coming into grilling season
yes,
too.
We are.
So it's perfect.
I think it's National Grilling Month too.
Oh, there we go.
So there we
Even
are.
more
We're combining everything. So I thought, okay, we've got 3 great steak recipes on our website this month that will give that person who's putting the steak on the grill some new ideas for how to do it. This happens to be a Kansas City strip steak, and we are going to make that. But before we do that, I'm going to have you make the butter that goes on the end of it. This is 2 tablespoons of soy cream cheese.
Which utensil will I use,
Use
Charlene?
this spoon. I know, I've got way too many
We have
here.
so many up here.
We're ready for every occasion up here today.
Is this my salad fork or is this, okay, go ahead, Reagan.
Okay, so 2 tablespoons of margarine and 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons, I think, of the gorgonzola cheese. It's going to give it a lot of flavor. That's softened, so it's easy to mix together, and you'd make that ahead of time. All right, so what we've got here then is an 8-ounce Kansas City strip steak. And when my husband looked at that, he said, how many is this supposed to serve? So
Just one, but probably more, right?
That's right.
Okay.
Okay, because this is actually going to serve 2 people.
Okay.
What I want you to do is take that, and I've got a little vegetable oil, and we're going to just brush that on there. And then I used a combination of herbs that I chopped up, and this is rosemary, thyme, and chives. And we're going to put that.
Smells so nice in here.
All right, do that, and now, where's my tongs here? We're going to turn it over so that we can do the other side.
Okay.
How about that?
And then rinse, recycle, repeat. Rinse, what is it?
Yep.
Yeah.
And then
rinse, wash, repeat.
We'll put that on the grill and cook that. One of the things that we have on our website this month is that we have a cooking chart. So if you're not sure what temperature to have it to get the desired degree of doneness, whether you like it well done or rare, always use that meat thermometer. But we have the chart so you'll know exactly what temperature it should be. When you take it off the grill, then you should let it set for just a few minutes, and all those juices will go back inside. And then there's your butter.
There it is.
Yes.
So next segment, next hour, or next half hour, Charlene, we're going to be making something with a tenderloin steak,
We are. We're going to do these stuffed tenderloin steaks that are actually stuffed with one of your favorite ingredients,
bacon. Oh, love
Lots
you,
of
Charlene.
bacon.
Oh, you're the best. You're the best, Charlene. All right, kansassoybeans.org, right?
Yes.
All right, we'll be right back.